One of the major reasons for couple breaking up is when they develop trust issues with each other. And it's extremely difficult to trust someone that you have recently met. Trust issues may be a big obstacle in your life that hinders connection, warmth, and intimacy. When you experience trust issues in any relationship, it becomes hard for you to be vulnerable in front of your loved ones. This ability to show susceptibility in front of your partner is known to be essential for a lasting relationship. So in this video, you'll find signs that show that you have trust issues. So let's get started. Number 1. You predict people's behavior before giving them a chance to prove themselves. People who have previously been cheated on can develop an inherent lack of trust in their partners. They would predict that their partners would betray them without any evidence of betrayal from the partners. Number 2. Your trust issues have become an emotional self-fulfilling prophecy. That happens when you start trusting random people that give you no reason to trust them. People often do this to unconsciously confirm the belief that people are generally untrustworthy and how they would betray you. Number 3. You trust people too quickly. This point is similar to the previous one. However, it comes from the failure to understand how to trust anyone. This lack of experience is giving the other person time to build your trust makes you jump into trusting them blindly. Number 4. You do not share your feelings with your partner. People who lack trust in their relationship often do not trust them enough to share their feelings. They always remain guarded with their partners as they think that their feelings would be used against them at some point. Number 5. Communication with your partner is extremely shallow. You may be a deep thinker, but conversation with your partner are seldom about those deep thoughts. They would always revolve around lighter external things. Number 6. Your first thought about your partner's genuine mistake would be about how he or she is breaching your trust. For example, if your partner is late for a date, you would instantly assume that it is because they're hiding something from you. If they cannot talk to you right now, it means that they are rejecting you. Number 7. You do not want to commit emotionally. You anticipate something going wrong all the time. You believe that betrayal is inevitable, so you do not let yourself get too attached to your partner. You always have your guard up. Number 8. Others see you as someone impossible to please. When you do not trust people, they might find you unforgiving and difficult to deal with. If you openly show signs of mistrust, they would not feel motivated to console you and might get irritated by this behavior. Number 9. You feel isolated like an outcast. When you do not open up with your partner, you are not showing them your true self. It might lead you to feel isolated at times. You might feel like you do not belong, and you get depressed because of all the previous signs. If you experience these signs, you might be feeling depressed and lonely. So, are you related to these signs? Please let me know in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.